and welcome to another macrocosm video. Astronomers have recently captured a stunning image of a cosmic event 60 million light-years away from Earth in the direction of the Virgo constellation using the Gemini North Telescope in Hawaii. The two spiral galaxies in the image, NGC 4568 and NGC 4567, are in the process of combining to become a single elliptical galaxy in roughly 500 million years. A process known in astronomy as a galactic merger. These galaxy centers are currently located 20,000 light-years apart from one another. This is the distance, for instance, between Earth and the Milky Way galaxy center. Although both galaxies presently have their stunning pinwheel structure that will soon alter, the gravitational pull of NGC 4568 and NGC 4567 will cause many new stars to form as they come nearer to one another, altering their present shape. These galaxies will repeatedly swing past one another in the distant future, resembling the graceful dance step known as Pax de Deux. NGC 4568 and NGC 4567 will draw out lengthy streams of gas and stars after each swing, bringing them closer together until they form a single, spherical new galaxy, maybe like their neighbor Messier 89 at the Virgo cluster. By then, the majority of the gas and dust, which serve as the fuel for star formation, will have been consumed or blasted away. This stunning dance is a prelude to what will occur when our Milky Way and our nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, meet some 5 billion years from now. Amazing fact: when examining the merger of NGC 4568 and NGC 4567, astronomers are looking at the older galaxy Messier 89, which has undergone very little recent star formation and is made up of very old, low-mass stars and prehistoric globular clusters. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.